Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you someone who are passionate about AI, data, and automations? So, or maybe you are a fresher looking to step into the world of consulting with a global brand. There's a great news because EY, which is Ernst Young, is hiring for the intern positions for their GDS Consulting AI and data team. So, in today's video, I'm going to share the full job details, eligibility criteria, skills required, and how you can apply before the slots fill up. So stick around till the end and don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel for the notes for daily job updates because we bring three important hiring especially on this particular YouTube channel. And also turn on notification bell so you never miss out any opportunity from our end. So now let's dive into the details. So as you can see, the role is of EY GDS Consulting AI enabled automation program, and it's an internship with the possibility and the chances of getting converted into a full-time opportunity. So before going into the responsibility section, let's understand a little bit more about the company, which is EY. So EY is one of the big four consulting firm operating in around 150 countries, delivering assurance, consulting, tax, strategy, and transformation services. Their motto is to build a better working world, and the position is all about an intern position in AI-enabled automation program. And the department is GDS Consulting AI and Data, and it is based out of Bengaluru location, and it's an internship opportunity full time with a possibility to get converted into a full time. Now let's discuss the eligibility criteria for this particular role. So as you can see over here, they have mentioned all the qualification required for this role. So if you are a person who is be BTech graduate or MC or MBA background with no backlogs and a CGPA of 7.5 or above, then you are eligible for this particular program. You must have the very good communication skill with the team collaboration skill and attitude to work in a fast-paced environment. Then this role is for you. Now let's discuss the other skills required. I mean the technical skills required, which is that they have mentioned over here, right? Okay, yeah. Role requirements basically. So you should have the proficiency in SQL and procedural SQL languages with a knowledge of Python, R, or other scripting language. Also, basic data analysis and data handling skills is preferred with problem solving ability and logical thinking skill. You should also have the understanding of software development best practices and exposure to ETL tools like SSIS, SSRS, SAP bots, or data stage is a bonus. And also, if you have a hands-on, database design, SQL Server, data knowledge, then again it is gonna be a bonus for you. So this was all about kind of technical role requirement for this role, and let's understand the roles and responsibilities, daily roles and responsibilities at this particular job. So you'll be basically involved into supporting technical streams of EL, implementation projects, designing and analyzing database objects, communicating with the on-site teams and coordinators, delivering tasks in time and maintaining quality, participating in people initiatives and building a quality culture. You will also be fostering teamwork and contributing to collaborative projects, along with creating logical and physical data flow models and working closely with enterprise intelligence tools and reporting systems. So this is all going to be your kind of roles and responsibilities once you join EY as intern. So, what's the benefits of joining EY? What are the why you want to join EY or something kind of like that. So at EY, you don't just work; you will grow with global support, inclusive work culture, cutting edge tech, and world class mentorship as well. This internship can be a game changer for your career in data and AI basically, because this role mainly focus on data and AI. So just don't wait. Go and apply. Go and check for the link in the description. We have mentioned everything, and apply as soon as possible. And also, you can just join our other WhatsApp and Telegram community as well from that thing. And this was all about this wonderful opportunity. So if you are a fresher or a recent graduate, dreaming of working in data science analytics with one of the big four consulting firm, then this is a perfect launch pad for you. Don't forget to like this video and comment interested if you are actually applying to this particular role, so that we'll get to know that how many people are actually able to get benefited from this particular video. And subscribe to our channel for the notes for daily job updates, for daily three important hirings that we are bringing on this channel. and also turn the notification bell so you never miss out any important update that we bring on the channel. And you can also subscribe to our other channel, which is Fast Tech, where we are covering in-depth data analytics series. So it's basically for a person who is either in college or the one who is starting. And it is going to be in-depth series with 20 plus hands-on projects. So subscribe that channel as well. And yeah, this was all about this wonderful opportunity. All the best with your applications, and I will see you in the next video.